Have you ever wondered how to dominate the battlefield in Vanquish? Today, we dive deep into the innovative slide boost mechanics that can change your gameplay forever. Vanquish introduces a unique sliding boost mechanic, allowing players to slide into and out of cover at high speeds. This dynamic movement is a game changer for both offensive and defensive play. The AR mode enhances the sliding boost by allowing players to slide in slow motion, giving precise control over their movements. This is crucial for targeting weak spots and setting up offensive plays. Players can manually enter AR mode to target enemies more effectively, utilizing the suit's boosters to slide across battlefields with speed and precision. This dynamic layer adds a new level of depth to combat. While sliding, players are mostly invulnerable, allowing them to focus on staying in motion and safely boosting away from any trouble. This mechanic is key for evading enemy attacks. Performing the technique involves holding forward right, flicking the mouse left to initiate the boost, and turning back to where you want to go. This motion is essential for mastering the slide boost mechanics. Overall, Vanquish's innovative sliding boost mechanic opens up new gameplay possibilities and significantly enhances cover-based combat strategies. It's a must-master skill for any serious player. So there you have it. Vanquish's slide boost mechanics can truly transform your gameplay experience. How will you use this knowledge on the battlefield? Let me know in the comments.